Okay, I'm going to make this into video form because it's probably easier to follow that way. This is recorded with an iPad, so it may get blurry or something. I'll try to make sure everything gets seen. This is the Patchmix setup if you create a new instance, and here I've chosen 44 and balanced plus 4 minimum. That's usually my default. Okay. New session, I don't change anything. I click OK. This part here you can ignore. This is for my particular monitoring setup. I have my monitors on dock out 2 and 3, and I set them to monitor so I don't have to change the master bus control for attenuation. Anyhow, these are the strips that I start with here. And we've got reason 7, and just as a reference, we will see that in this case, I have reason only. The channels are only activated as they would be default. I don't have all of them activated. We'll leave it like that for a moment. Close that and go back to Patchmix. So now, I have a mini brood and a mofo here. We've got the mofo plugged into dock L1 on the back. So what we're going to do is create a new strip, and the physical source is going to be dock in 1L. Okay. Now we've got this new channel strip here. You notice it doesn't have either of these two inserts like the default ones do, so for ease we're going to add that. In the first one I will add a peak meter. Oops, sorry. I will add a peak meter just so I can tell that it's actually getting something from the hardware, which if I push the red button on the mofo, I'm getting something from the hardware. Now the crucial part, which Reason will not see unless you have this, right click, and you're going to want to insert a send, in this case, output to ASIO/wave or physical out. We're going to be sending it to ASIO, so you want to choose that. Now you get to select which ASIO channel you choose. You can tell that the first few are automatically taken up by something already in use on the EMU, so the next available one is 5.6. So we'll choose that, hit OK. Now this guy is routed to ASIO 5.6, which can be shown in this right panel here if you click on Outputs. Sending to ASIO in 5.6 host, which would be Reason. Now we come in Reason, we've got an audio track here, but we have no 5.6, just 1 and 2. But we obviously know how to fix that. We go to Edit, Preferences, Available Input Channels. Oh, look there. So now we enable ASIO 5 and 6. Click OK. Close that out. Now on our audio track, we should be able to go to ASIO 5 and 6. Obviously, mofo is going in monophonically, or mono input, that is. And so 5 and 6 both won't work, but 5 should get us there. Lo and behold, we have signal. Hope that helped. If it's too blurry or anything, I can describe further. Bye.